So boys and girls, this is the extension activity for homework. We've all done this in class, but I want to make sure that mums and dads know exactly what we're doing. You can change this how you like. So we can start with just two lots of two-digit numbers as a sum, and then we can go into the hundreds and the thousands. You can basically make this as challenging as you want it to be. So the first one, I would like someone to choose a number between 0 and 90. Oh no, not 0. Let's make it from 10 to 99. So a two-digit number. We'll start from 76. Now I like that second number that we're about to choose to be smaller, please. But it's still a two-digit number. Jade. 29. Good. I like that's a good choice because I don't want this number to be easy. Right. Once we've done that, boys and girls, we put the number in a cloud on the scrap piece of paper that you need. So this activity, you grab a scrap piece of paper, Herrington Square time. All right. You divide the page into 4. In number 1, I have to simply add these two numbers together. And that is done with a formal written algorithm. So I'd like you just to do that for me now, please. 6 plus 9. Zach? 15. What do I do, Zach? Can you tell me what I do?
You put a 5 on your 9.
Great, in the units. And then what do I do? I've still got a 10 somewhere, don't I? So what do I do then?
You add it on to the 7.
Does that make that number 17?
No.
Good. Do I add that number first or do I add that number last?
Last.
Good. So I always add up the numbers that are in the place value first, then I add that additional number. Is everyone okay with that one? Right. So 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1 more is 10. Great. So that number is 105. Excellent. That's the first one. Formal written algorithm. Now that's easy with a 2-digit. But imagine if that was a 3 or a 4 or a 5. Remember at the end of year 4, we're meant to know to count forwards from 0 to 10 to the tens of thousands, and then from the 10 and also backwards. That's the end of year 4. All right, and I would expect us to be even looking at further progression in that. Over in number 2. Oh, you stay there. I have to now use MAB blocks. All right. Now tell me, I don't just do the answer, I need to create the question using MAB blocks. Who can tell me what I need for the 76? I want you to tell me whether I want to know how many longs and how many ones I need, please. Isaac, how many longs do I need?
9 longs.
9 longs? Look at the first number. First number, we're going to do 76 first. So how many longs? 7? All right, we just draw the 7 longs like that, like they look like chips. 5, 6, and how many units or how many ones do I need? Yes. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just put my plus sign there. Plus 29, how many longs? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what I've got there is represented in another way here. Remember, we're trying to learn to do 2 different strategies to get the one answer. Down in question, or section number 3, this is called the inverse. Well, that looks funny, doesn't it? See the squiggly line? The inverse operation. And tell me what the opposite operation of addition is, everyone. We should start to know that, or should know that automatically. Subtraction. So I just go 76, take away 29. Let's play. Here we go. 6, take away 9. Emma, can I do that? What do I do now? What do I have to do? So I go, what am I doing? Tell me what I'm going to do. But I need to go and get that number first. So tell me, where do I go first? Yes, so I have to go to the tens because I need a 10 to play. Is that right, boys and girls?
Yes.
Okay, so if I'm taking 10 from there, that number becomes a
6.
6, and it's a 1. Now we can play. 16 take away 9 is, you do it, yeah, 7, and then 6 take away 2 is 4. And the last one here, we just put, thanks Emma, that was great. Last one here, we just make it a word problem. So someone give me a creative question or a creative word problem with the sentence that tells me what to do. Now you can choose to have the addition or the subtraction, but I want it to be a word problem, and I need that last sentence to tell me what to do. Isabel.
The farmer down the road had 76 chickens, and then he went down to town and he got another 29. How many chickens does the farmer have?
The farmer had 76 chickens. He went down the road. So what you're doing while I'm writing this, boys and girls, is checking that Isabel's sentence or question makes sense. So he went down the road and
And he got 29 chickens.
he got, sorry, line through there, and he got 29 more. Now, if she doesn't ask a question with that, that's just 2 statements. I've got some chickens, and then I've got some more chickens. What is the question that tells me what to do? Say it again, and you tell me when you hear the word that tells me the instruction. Go.
How many chickens does he have?
There's one word you're missing. You said it the first time. It starts with A. That's what I just said. I just said the magic word. Tell me what to do. So, how many chickens do I have? How many chickens does he have? Sorry. Have altogether. Oh, run out of space. Altogether. With a question mark. So, boys and girls, that is your extension part of homework. You can simply go, I can use 2-digit, I can use 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, make it as big and as bad as you want it to be. But what we're doing is we're practicing how to take numbers and get the same answer with using a variety of strategies. Everyone cool?
Yeah.
Wave to the camera. Say hi, Mum and Dad.
Hi.
And